You have data pertaining to academicians who hold different levels of education, that is qualification, and works for different types of universities in multiple locations. On the data set, that is salaries offered, you are interested to find out summary statistics of salary offers by university type and location according to the qualification, that is school degree. Using this data set, you want to create reports on separate pages for each qualification. You want that the report should contain qualification, university type, and location-wise total salary amount and descriptives like count, sum, average, maximum, and minimum salaries. For this, you need to use field settings, subtotals and filters, and layout and print options. First, place cursor anywhere in Salary Offers Revised worksheet. Click Insert tab and then click Pivot Table button. Create Pivot Table dialog box is displayed. Check that the data is correctly selected and choose New Worksheet to place Pivot Table report. And click OK. Drag School Degree to row labels, Public Private to row labels, Location to column labels, and Salary to values. Pivot Table displays qualification-wise break of salary. Now, to get multiple descriptives, click the list arrow on School Degree field in row labels. From the pop-up menu, click Field Settings. Field Settings dialog box is displayed. In subtotals, Automatic is selected by default. You need to click on Custom and select Sum, Count, Average, and Max, Min. Next, click on Layout and Print tab. In Layout options, click on Show Item Labels in Tabular Form. Next, click on Insert blank line after each item label. Then move down to Print option and select Insert page break after each item. Then click OK. Observe the pivot table report. Descriptive statistics are added at end of each qualification. Click Design tab and apply appropriate design. At the end, click Office icon. From drop-down menu, hover cursor on Print and select Print Preview. You can see each qualification-wise data is printed in separate sheets.